Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Got Suspended Clients. Today we will talk about blocked ASIN complaints. And before we start, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button to be notified first about our new tutorials. Blocked ASIN complaints can occur because of numerous reasons. But most often, Amazon will block your ASINs if you sell or even ship expired or used items to Amazon's customers. The Amazon Standard Identification Number, shortly ASIN, consists of a 10-character numeric identifier, which is unique for every single product listed on Amazon. The hardest part about this vital element of Amazon is that it has a creation limit, which is set by Amazon itself. So Amazon limits the creation numbers in order to have the best customer service and more profits. It unlimits the number for sellers who have good sales history, so they don't have to make new listings. One of Amazon's policies concerning the Amazon Standard Identification Numbers is the duplicate ASIN creation policy. The main point of this policy is that you cannot create a new ASIN with a product that already exists on Amazon. If you do this, Amazon can easily remove your selling privileges and have your account suspended. If you still have an issue over reinstating your Amazon account thanks to blocked ASIN, all you need is to leave it to us at Got Suspended and we'll guide you through the process in a professional manner. If you also don't know how to choose the right supplier, make sure you read our blogs and know more about the e-commerce world. And for more information, you can also visit our website, gotsuspendedclients.com, and you may follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.